If you want to upload a zip file in Hostinger, whether it's for a website project, theme, backup, or plugin, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Hostinger dashboard, how to open the right folder, and how to upload your zip file correctly so it ends up in the right place. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Hostinger guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website section. This is where all of your hosted websites are listed, so if you manage more than one site, take a moment to choose the correct one. Find the website you want to work on and then click the dashboard button next to it. This will take you into the management panel for that specific site. Now that you're in the website dashboard, the next step is to open your file tools, look for File Manager and click on it. File Manager is where you can view, upload, and manage the files that make up your website. This is the area you'll use to place your zip file in the correct directory. Inside File Manager, you need to locate the public/html folder. This is very important because public/html is the main root directory for your live website files. In most cases, if you want your zip file to be available on the website or you want to upload website content, this is the folder you want to work inside. Open public/html before doing anything else so you don't accidentally upload the file to the wrong location. Once you're inside public.html, look for the Upload Files button, click it, and then select the .zip file from your computer. Make sure you choose the correct file before continuing, especially if you have multiple zip files saved locally. After selecting it, click Upload to begin the process. Now just wait for the upload to finish completely. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. It's important not to close the window or refresh the page until the upload is fully complete. Once the upload finishes, your zip file will appear inside the directory, and that means it has been successfully uploaded to Hostinger. If your goal is to use the zip file for something like a website backup, theme package, or compressed site files, you can now move on to the next step of extracting or managing it from there. But for the upload itself, that's all there is to it. So just to recap, log into Hostinger, open websites, select the right site, go into Dashboard, open File Manager, enter public HTML, and upload your zip file from there. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and now you can do it confidently without guessing. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Hostinger how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.